Hi guys, what's up? Happy Monday. I am sorry अगर आवाज़ आ रही होगी तो मैं पंखे के नीचे ही बैठी हूँ. I'm just so tired and sweaty. Just gym से आई हूँ मैं, so I'm just like done for the day already. It's like 11:30 today. आज late हो गया because सुबह से I was procrastinating it so much. Like मुझे नहीं जाना था gym. I just wanted to sleep etc. But I was like मैंने पूरा संडे सोया ही है, मतलब आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग प्रोडक्टिव. ठीक है, तो क्यों तेरे को आज सोना है? आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ एंड देन आई वाज लाइक उठ जा सारा, उठ जा. फिर मैं थोड़ा लेट उठी, फिर मैं बाहर आई एंड देन आई एम जस्ट लाइक सिटिंग फॉर लाइक वाज लाइक सिटिंग फॉर 15 minutes एंड जस्ट प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग कि जाओ कि नहीं जाओ, जाओ कि नहीं जाओ. एंड आई वाज लाइक जाते हैं, लेट्स जस्ट डू इट टुडे. तो मैं धीरे धीरे चल के नीचे गई, स्कूटर से गई, फिर जिम में जा रही थी. एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक सो टायर्ड बट आई डिड अ गुड जॉब. एटलीस्ट आई डिडंट गिव अप ऑन मंडे इटसेल्फ. एंड बहुत आज लेग डे किया मैंने, सो आई एम लाइक टायर्ड, माई लेग्स आर शिवरिंग, बट या डिड इट, योर गर्ल डिड इट. But abhi I'm very tired. I'm like so low on energy. I am just feeling yucky. तो मैं अभी I'm just gonna use this Ordinary का glycolic acid on my scalp because बहुत ज़्यादा oily भी हो गया है. So because of workouts, literally मैंने कल बाल धोया है, but I have to dofy it today also because I don't like ऐसे गंदे बाल. So yeah, मैं ये लगाऊंगी 30 minutes या 15 minutes के लिए रखूँगी and then go and take a shower and फिर हम breakfast करेंगे. ये I'm really excited for breakfast because I'm hungry. मैंने कल पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया था and फिर रात में मैंने dinner किया था थोड़ा सा. That's it. So I'm really hungry for my breakfast. So I'm really excited for my breakfast. चलो, let's just put this. Also, I'm sorry I am not doing a lot of vlogs like I used to do before. I'm sorry यार, मुझे नहीं पता कि लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियोज़ आजकल लोग देखते हैं कि नहीं. आई डू वॉच इट बट आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक पीपल वॉच मोर शॉर्ट्स एंड स्टफ. बट या बिकॉज मेरी एंगेजमेंट शॉर्ट्स में ज़्यादा है कंपेयर टू लॉन्गर फॉर्मेट. सो आई एम जस्ट लाइक I don't know. I've not yet edited my birthday vlog also. Like literally 3 महीने तो हो गए हैं birthday जाके and I've still not edited or put the vlog because I don't know if you guys will watch it or no. So I'm just like procrastinating again. Let me know if you want to watch my birthday transformation-ish vlog. So I'll do that. उसमें मेरे बाल बहुत छोटे कराए थे मैंने, अब I think थोड़े बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. What do you guys think? अभी तो गंदे से हो गए but आई थिंक मैंने काटा इतना था, आई थिंक तो मैंने इतने बढ़ गए. वाओ, आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ बढ़ाओ माई बाल एकदम अच्छे. लेट्स सी, स्टॉप बकिंग सारा. आई होप यू आर हैविंग गुड डेज. I don't know how I feel about my days. I'm usually working, so I don't get that time to like think कि what's the day about. I don't know man, I just randomly thought of vlogging, so मैंने आज vlog चालू किया. Let's see if I put this up or no, I don't know. I actually watched my vlogs, like पुराने vlogs, and I was like, this Sarah was so productive. This Sarah used to randomly start vlogging and used to just put it up on YouTube and didn't think a lot, like मतलब a day in my life, a week in my life, बहुत कुछ करती थी. So I miss her, I miss that Sarah. but ठीक है, कल actually I was not able to sleep and I was kind of sad. I don't know why. So I was just going through my notes and stuff, and I realized I had made like a written vision board, like what I want to achieve or do better in 2025, and I just saw it. It was just like morning workouts, walk a lot, love yourself, be consistent on YouTube, and then grow your small business. Actually, if you don't know, I have a small business called Moon Mist. This is my page. You can go and follow it, support if you like to. So yeah, and eat mindfully, take care of yourself, go on vacations with family, spend more time with friends, etc. Well, my friends are really busy, so am I, but we try our best कि हम कभी ना कभी मिले, so that's good. I've had a lot of trips, not a lot but 2-3 trips already with my family, and I'm like happy about that कि मैं कर रही हूँ वो. I'm living, I'm also eating quite healthy. मतलब मैं कर लेती हूँ कभी ना कभी जंक, बट कभी ना कभी मतलब कर ही लेती हूँ जंक, बट like I try कि I get back and being consistent on YouTube. कभी कभी कर लेती हूँ, कभी कभी नहीं. लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट तो गायब हो गए लिटरली मेरे से, but I'm trying my best to work on it. And yeah, so आज मैंने literally to do list बनाई है, like literal to do list. I've literally made some to do list. Like मैं ज़्यादातर to do list नहीं करती हूँ, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आता है वो मैं complete करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. I've never wrote it, but I thought आज कर लेते हैं, try कर लेते हैं. I actually wanted to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but obviously वो नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मुझे सोना था. But yeah, I will eventually try to get up earlier, and yeah, let's see how that happens. But आज की list में है workout, then I did that, so I'll tick that. Then I have to film what I eat in a day. I also want to film Savannah haul. Then I have to do some office work. Obviously, like I have a job, so I have to work side by side. आज तो work from home है, so it will be chill pill. But I have a lot of work. I have to get in a lot of meetings, so I don't know if I'll be able to do Savannah haul because उसके लिए मेरे को ready होना पड़ेगा and stuff. Then I have to edit and upload these videos, and then I have to try to walk at least like 5k to 10k steps. Like I don't know, I like walking, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it every day. I really want to do it every day. I want to hit that 10k goal every day, but I don't know, man. I don't know if I can do it. Also, I have to book a call for my nail appointment with my bestie. So yeah, आज ये सब करना है, and I'll be really happy if I complete everything. Yeah, that's it. I'll take a shower and I'll be back with my breakfast. I'm really excited to have my breakfast. I love breakfast. It's 3:30 right now. मैंने सुबह से क्या किया, जिम किया, and then I had yummy breakfast as you all saw. And उसके बाद I was watching Ginny and Georgia and was working side by side. Then I got ready and filmed Savannah haul. If you want to watch that, it might be up on shorts as well as on my Instagram. Please follow my Instagram. Now I have a meeting, so I will attend that, and yeah, basically we'll do a lot of other office work. good morning. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am not in a mood to talk right now because it's 5 o'clock. It's actually 5:45, I guess, and I woke up at 5 o'clock. Yeah, surprising. I actually didn't woke up at 5 o'clock. I tried waking up at 5 o'clock. I woke up by 5:10, and then I just came outside and was just doing my to-do list, ready for gym, and yeah, so it's 5:45 right now. I will leave in like 15 minutes for my gym. Try to wake up early so that I don't miss my workout, because अगर मतलब मैं अभी उठ नहीं पाती तो मैं ऑफिस के बाद जाना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है because I'm like too tired at that time. So I thought let's just wake up. So yeah, so to-do list इतना कुछ नहीं है. I just have to work out, come home faster, and make my dabba also. थोड़ा healthy खाना, eat breakfast also so that I'm full, and yeah, I'm like literally alone in the gym and it's so scary. ऐसा लग रहा है कोई भी आ जाएगा और मेरे को खा जाएगा. But anyways, gym time. Breakfast is ready. कल जैसा ही है लेकिन today we have sausages, bread, multigrain bread, scrambled egg, and for good fats we have pork. And sorry, presentation बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है, but I am getting late for my office, so this is what we have to work with. फिर मैंने lunch भी बनाया है. This is my snack of the day. It's makhanas, salted makhanas. For lunch I have salad. प्रोटीन के लिए थोड़ा सा स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग एंड बीन्स, एंड देन वी हैव मसाला कीनवा. या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. लेट्स ईट आवर ब्रेकफास्ट fast because I am late. I just took a shower. Let's eat our breakfast.
Papà le pigliere.